Urdhva Dhanurasana. It's a very energetic pose, upward facing bow. I don't recommend that you do it on its own. It's good to do a nice warm-up first because you want an even bridge. I do a 30-minute class that leads you up to the pose as well. And every week I do a different pose as a focus. So if you like this, please subscribe, and if you hit the little bell, then you will be notified every time I do a new video. And it'd be really cool if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you have a comment and something you want me to teach, put it in the comments. So let's go ahead and break down this pose. We're going to go ahead and lie all the way back and place the hands on the blocks. And then you want to make sure your elbows aren't out to the side. You want to try and keep them pointed up as best you can. And that can be hard. So just take your time with that. And we're going to go ahead and just lift the butt up first. So on an exhalation, exhale, lift up. Now try to come lightly to the top of your head. You can pause here and then just start to push straight up. And then notice, are you going towards your feet? Maybe your chest is tight. Try to push towards the wall more, but not at the expense of your elbows bending too much. So you have to find a medium ground there. Then try to push as much as you can to the wall and straighten your legs as much as you can and see if you can get a nice even back bend. Reaching, 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 reaching. And then to come out, bend the knees and curl your spine down. Curl your spine down. Now, it might be that you're unable to get up, and that's okay. Sometimes the assistance of a teacher is nice, and sometimes if you're not heavy on your head, you can just practice coming from here, maybe, to here, and rolling back down. But whichever one you choose, go safely, go slowly, and definitely warm up. Urdhva Dhanurasana, upward facing bow.